Guys, welcome back to Charisco Crypto, guys. Let's discuss. Can you hear me? Let's discuss. Let's see what is happening in the crypto market, guys. So, guys, let me quickly share my screen. I'm coming, guys. Let me share my screen. Welcome back. Welcome. Let's discuss about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Let's see what is happening in the crypto market. Good. Let's go. So, guys, the crypto market is still trading sideways. BTC is still trading sideways. So, today we will be looking into Bitcoin versus gold performance. We'll be looking into the performance of Bitcoin and versus gold. So, every single day when I do live stream, I'll be showing you guys how Bitcoin has been overperforming every other asset. Let me quickly see if I could be able to stream to kick over here. So, still not going through. Okay, so guys, let's go. Was trying to stream to kick, but it's still not going through. So the reality is that today we will be looking into the performance of Bitcoin and versus gold. So if you have invested into Bitcoin for the past few years, so the performance, how much you will have been holding, how much you will have been make for profit without Bitcoin. So we'll be seeing it today. So we'll be looking into the performance. So as you can see on my screen right now, so I will be clicking into the performance of all transaction of Bitcoin. So let's quickly see the transaction of Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin performance and gold performance, we'll be looking into the performance of gold and versus Bitcoin today to see if you have invested even if just $1 into Bitcoin, how much you will have made just by investing in Bitcoin using DCA dollar cost average by buying a little as much as you can. So Bitcoin has been one of the greatest performing assets for over a decade right now. And I do focus on investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency because even if you are trading meme coin right now, let me quickly go into my desk screen now. Let's see. So this is desk screen now, where they list all the meme coin that are just newly listed on. This is where all the meme coin. Let me quickly bring out. Okay, so this is desk screen now. All the meme coin which are just launched either on Solana or Binance Chain. So you will be able to find them here. And 99% of those meme coins, they don't survive. So that is why every single day when I do live stream, it's not a financial advice, but that is because it has been one of the best strategy to make money in this crypto sector. I was just scrolling through my Instagram yesterday. So when I saw a lot of video when people were still crying that they invest into meme coin, they invest in crypto and they lost money. And I tried to find out the type of cryptocurrency which they invest on. They didn't invest into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency like Solana, Ethereum, and the rest. What they invest on, they invest in meme coin. So, and they expect that they could be able to make more money. And one of the problem is that people come into this crypto sector, they will invest money, they will invest all their money in meme coin and they expect to double their money overnight. It does not work that way. When you are investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency into this crypto sector, invest in a real asset like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the rest that have a real usage. So that is why this today episode, I will be really focusing on when we'll be looking into the chart of Bitcoin performance versus gold. This is gold performance, as you can see it over here. So let's quickly see, as you can see it over here, between 2015 and 2030. So you can see it over here. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it better. So if you can see on my screen over here, so this is the gold performance between 2011/2013. As if you can see it over here, so 2011 to 2013, which is gold was still trading between 1,002 to 1,003, as you can see it over here. So this is the performance of gold. So that is why I always tell you guys that Bitcoin has been one of the greatest performing assets for over a decade right now. So this is between about 10 years back. So let's quickly go back to BTC and look at the performance of Bitcoin versus gold. So I won't be wasting so much time. So let's click on the up performance of BTC. This is it, as you can see it over here. Let me zoom into it so that you guys can see it better. So as you can see it over here on my screen, so as always, BTC has a mass supply of 21 million that will ever exist on this planet. So that is why Bitcoin is so scarce. So you have to make sure at least you have some. So if you go back to 2011, so if you can see it over here on my screen, 2011, BTC was still trading under $1. So if you can see, as you can see it over here, between 2010, BTC was still trading at 20 cents. 20 cents. To 2010 and early 2010, BTC was still trading below 6 cents. Not even up to 10 cents. So BTC was still trading below $1. Could you imagine, for example, if you have added even if a dollar, just $1, in early 2010, when BTC was still trading around 6 cents, you'll be able to have between 10 Bitcoin. As of today, 10 Bitcoin is still worth about $1 million. $1 million plus, as you can see. So BTC about $1 million. That is because just 2 months back, BTC was still trading above $100,000. BTC all-time high was, let's look it here. All-time high was about, let me zoom in. So let me go back so that you guys can see it better. So BTC all-time high was $108,000. As you can see it here on my screen. So our all-time high was $108,000. Let me go into the trading view. So our all-time high was $108,000. So if you have invested at least just $1 in Bitcoin in early 2010, when BTC was still trading at about 6 cents, 10 cents, so today you will be having about almost $1 million. At least this is a financial freedom. So that is why Michael Saylor is, because even if right now, if I say, okay, let me pray it out on my S account, so which it will go through because the volume is not working. So the recent interview between Michael Saylor said that I tweeted it out on my S account few minutes ago. So you can see it here. So if you are not following me on S, aka Twitter, what are you waiting for? Follow me on S. So everything go there, do tweet out most of those important things. So what did Michael Saylor say? He said Bitcoin will be trading $1 million in just a few years from now. Bitcoin will be trading $1 million per coin. And by then, so he will still be buying Bitcoin at least by $1 million per coin. So when BTC is still trading between $100,000 today. So, but that does not mean we will go down more from here. So if you look it very well, Bitcoin follow 4-year cycle. So if you look it very well, that is because between 2017, Bitcoin went up to about, if you can see it over here, we touched all-time high here, almost about $20,000. So Bitcoin came back down. So between Bitcoin came back down to between about 2017 slash 2017 slash 2019. So if you see, Bitcoin still went up here, so it still came back down. So between early 2021, so Bitcoin still went up to all-time high. So it still trade between that year, so it still came back down. So now we are still up. So don't think that Bitcoin will come back down again. That is why I always say, try to make sure you take profit whenever you are in profit. It's very, very important to take profit in this crypto sector. Keep some cash on your side so that whenever the market dip back down, you have more cash to buy into it. It's very, very important to have some cash on your side so that if the market dip back down, you have more cash to buy in. So Bitcoin is already way too high, but that does not mean at least Bitcoin will be able to go up to like almost about like $150,000 up to $200,000 before we come back down. But if you buy into Bitcoin when Bitcoin was still trading below $50,000, $60,000, and now Bitcoin is still trading between $97,000 to $100,000 because the market is still trading sideways right now. So you have to take some profit. Try to make sure you have some cash on your side so that if the market dip back down, at least you will be able to buy more into your portfolio. As you can see, this other article over here. It said that here is how much Bitcoin, the G8 country, we have made if they have reallocated just 5% of their gold into into the stash. Yes. So if you read into it and go down more here, what he's saying is that if all those G8 countries, if they have invested just 5% of their gold into Bitcoin, they would have made millions upon millions of dollars just by investing just of 5% of their gold into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has overperformed gold for the past few years. So can I say, so now Bitcoin, as we just look just now the chart of Bitcoin. So in 2010, Bitcoin was still trading between 10 cents to 20 cents. 2011, Bitcoin was still trading below $1. So now Bitcoin is trading between $100,000, as you can see it over here, 97,000. Yesterday was still, so 97,900. So yesterday we were still trading between $98,000. It's just that with a few hundreds of dollars. So right now, look at the chart of gold. So back then, 2011, 2010, gold was still trading at $1,000, $1,002. But as of today, if you can see it over here, so as of today, gold is trading around the 2008. Gold just added about 1,006, just is for over a decade right now, for like about 10 years back. So, and Bitcoin has added thousands upon thousands upon thousands to the percentage of the trade, as you can see, without being told. So that shows you how performance, even if upon all the up and down, upon all the volatility, upon all the volatile of the market, so Bitcoin still outperform all those other assets. So even if we, as you can see it here, we go up, we come down, we go up, we come down, we go up, we come down, but Bitcoin still outperform gold. So that shows you how powerful Bitcoin is. That is because Bitcoin has a mass supply of 21 million. So that we ever exist on this planet on this planet. Sometimes we debug that. That is because imagine those people who buy into Bitcoin when Bitcoin was trading around that $1. So they are taking profit because those people are in profit. So you will blame them. So those people that buy into Bitcoin when Bitcoin was trading around them $1, $2, $10. So now they're in profit, they're in massive profit. So even if when they decide to take profit, that is good. So you that you are just coming into the market right now, why will you be scared? So all I always say is that you have to take profit. It's very, very important to take profit so that whenever the market dip back down, you have more cash to buy in. Because you can see the crypto market is still trading sideways. We'll be wasting so much time. The market is still trading sideways. So Bitcoin is still trading above $97,000. ETH is still trading above 2007. And SRP is still trading at $2.70. $2.70. Solana is still trading above $173. So the market is still doing fantastic. You don't have to be scared. All you just need to do is to this year into your portfolio, add more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to your portfolio whenever the market is down, and take profit if you're in profit. So that is because every time I tell you guys that last cycle I was here when the market was down and the market went up and it still came back down. So now we are up. So if we dip back down again, you have more cash to buy into your portfolio. It's very, very important, guys, to take profit. So Bitcoin is one of the greatest performing assets for over a decade. So you can see it here without being told. 2011, gold was still trading above 1,002. So then, right now, as you can see, without being told, so gold is still trading around 2,800. When BTC, 2010 BTC, let's still go back to the chart again. So 2010 BTC was still trading around between, as you can see it here, 2010 BTC was still trading around between 20 cents, not even up to $1. By then, just with $1, you could have been able to buy around about 5 Bitcoin, which is still worth almost about $500,000 today. So guys, as you can see, without being told, it's clear. All you just need to know is that by this year into this crypto market, it worked. So it's just that by then, when Bitcoin was still trading between $1, so many of us, we don't not have exposure to Bitcoin. So that is why now, which I know about this, I said, okay, so in order for us to achieve financial freedom, So we have to know about this. That is why, as you can see, every single day I do live streams in order for us to discuss about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, in order for us to achieve financial freedom together. So one of the best strategies to invest and to make money in cryptocurrency is by buying a little as much as possible. Imagine when Bitcoin was still trading between 16,000 just about less than 2 years ago. So if you have still add $1,000 into Bitcoin, today you will be up almost about 3 to 4x. So Solana was still, back then Solana was still trading around $10, and today Solana is trading between $173, which even if you have added $1 to Solana back then, today you still have $17,000. So you will see that you are still in profit. So the strategy is simple. Is by investing in Bitcoin as much as you can, and take profit if you are in profit, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the channel over here. So every single day I do live stream in order for us to learn about Bitcoin and in order for us to achieve financial freedom. So guys, if you are not following me on YouTube, so follow me on YouTube, turn on the notification bell so that each time that I'm live here on YouTube, so that you get notified. And if you're on Kick too, so follow me on Kick. I will be streaming on Kick later in the day. So because right now I was trying to stream to Kick, it doesn't work out. So I will be streaming on Kick later in the day. So we will still be discussing about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So as always, smash the like, press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and we are already on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So once we hit that, and a massive giveaway will be coming soon. I will be giving out some crypto, some NFTs. So, and if you want to check out my NFTs on OpenSea, which I'm holding, let's quickly see OpenSea. So, which I will bring them out here. So, just type in Chari underscore Chari. So on OpenSea, automatically you will find my NFTs which I'm holding. So this is OpenSea, one of the largest NFT marketplace. So which I always say, if you are investing in crypto, at least divide your money into 4 places. To me, it's not a financial advice. 40% into Bitcoin, 20% into big cap, like Solana, Ethereum, and the rest. Those ones that have at least about 10 billion market cap, 20% into meme coin. So those ones that at least you know that sometimes you could be able to lose your money, and sometimes you win, you could be able to win. So, and the other 20% into NFTs, guys, there are still money to make in NFT sectors, guys. So, as always, anything you don't know and you want us to discuss about it, drop it on the chat. We'll be discussing about it at the end of every chat or every video, so every stream. So we'll be able to discuss about that. So guys, I'll see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. So turn on the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. So at least it will really encourage me, so that each time that subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that each time that I'm live, you will get notified. Share with your friends and family in order for them to know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. The financial system and the crypto payment is, as you can see, is going worldwide. So all you just need to do is to learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, guys. It's very, very important. So guys, see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. Charles Chris.